Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a very interesting interface that is the color combination. The name of this interface is color combination. So what I am going to demonstrate you here that I'm using here a kind of plugin. With the help of this plugin I can select the range from 1 to 255. So I'm using this navigation bar for selecting the value for the red color. So suppose if I'm dragging it from here to here, so it means the value of this point is 117. So that is recorded here in this local variable selected R 117.45. Similarly, I can select for this value for the green color, and similarly I can select the value for the blue color. So what is happening here, ultimately I am selecting red color, green color and blue color values, the RGB values for any color. So what is happening after selecting this, this is the actually these are the values for the RGB. So ultimately after selecting this, one kind of a rule is called, and with the help of that rule I am fetching hex code for that color. So with the help of that hex code I am displaying that color on the card, and at the same time the hex code is also displayed on the interface here in the rich text. So this is a very interesting thing. You can also do this with the help of my video, and I'm also giving you the code for your help, so that you can build this kind of interface very quickly, and you can also understand that what kind of things I am written in that code. So but I can explain you this thing that how I made this for developing this kind of interface. What you have to do, first of all, you have to install a plugin, and for that you have to search by typing this slider component. So then you will get slider component, and after installing or after adding this plugin, you can use this plugin here in your interface like this. I'm showing you what kind of code I am used here. I have created three local variables which is holding the values of these three the points which I used in the navigation bar. So 090909 is the default value, the initial value for these local variables, and this rule I used. What is happening here? This is the rule. So what is happening here? A kind of formula is I am used here. With the help of that formula, what I am doing, I am capturing the RGB values, and on the basis of that formula I am generating the hex code for that color. So ultimately this rule gives us a hex code, and for displaying this navigation bar you have to use this kind of code. So this is a predefined field, NOUI slider field. So we have some kind of parameters here, and you can set the values in these parameters according to your need, like label, minimum range is 1, maximum range is 255, and the starting value is 1, and some fields like pipes, mode, count, density, for these types of values, these are the predefined values. You can also learn how we can uh, configure this slider field, and you can learn this on Appian community. And I also use this slider field in my interface. I use 3 times because I have to select 3 values for red color, green color and blue color, and after that I have used this card. So this is the card layout where I am showing the color, and then I'm using rich text color. With the help of the rich text color I am showing that selected hex code on that rich text. So this is the thing that I have developed, the color combination interface, and you can use this kind of interface anywhere in your project. That depends on your project requirement. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. Bye, have a nice day.